In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a report from FreshBooks. If you need to save a copy of your financial data, share it with someone else, or work with your numbers in a spreadsheet, exporting a report to Excel is a quick and useful option. FreshBooks makes this process very straightforward, and once you know where to click, it only takes a minute. To get started, sign into your FreshBooks account. Make sure you're logged into the correct business profile if you manage more than one, so you're exporting the right report from the right account. Once you're inside FreshBooks, look over to the left-hand menu and click on Reports. This will take you to the section where all of your available reports are organized. Depending on your plan and account activity, you may see several reporting options here. Next, open the report you want to export. This could be an expense report, a profit and loss report, or any other report available in your FreshBooks account. Choose the one that matches the information you need. It's a good idea to quickly review the report on screen before exporting, just to confirm you're in the right place. If needed, apply any filters or set a date range before downloading the file. This is especially helpful if you only want data from a specific month, quarter, or year. You may also want to filter the report to make it more focused and easier to work with once it's in Excel. Taking a moment here can save time later and help you avoid exporting more information than necessary. After your report looks the way you want, go to the upper right corner of the page and click More Actions. This menu gives you additional options for working with the report. From that menu, select Export for Excel. FreshBooks will then begin generating the file for you. Depending on the size of the report and your internet speed, this may take a few seconds. Once the report is ready, the Excel file will automatically download to your computer. If your browser asks where to save the file, choose a location you'll remember, such as your Downloads folder or desktop. After that, you can open the file in Excel or another spreadsheet program and start reviewing, editing, or sharing your report as needed. That's all there is to it. You've successfully exported a report from FreshBooks.